Welcome, drone video fans. My name is Bill, and this little 3-minute video we're going to give you a update on the Harpersfield Dam replacement, which is taking place at by where the Harpersfield covered bridge is, which you've seen probably in other videos that I've posted in the past. In front of us, you're seeing areas that are marked off, and originally when I came down here I had no idea what was going on, and I asked several people. They didn't know what was going, so I contacted the Ashtabula County engineer and asked him what was going on, and he said this is a Army Corps of Engineers project. I gotta watch this tree here. I gotta climb up a little bit to make sure I get over it. And what they're doing is they're going to replace the dam. We see the water falling over the dam there over on the lower right hand side. You'll see a little more of that later, but they're blocking off this half of the river, and then they're going to, you can see that the construction vehicles there, that whole area that you see covered over with the construction vehicles and everything, that used to be a parking lot, but then you can see the dam and water rolling of it over on the right hand side. What they're going to do is block off half the river, replace half the dam, and then block off the other half of the river and replace the other half of the dam. So they're going to do it in two separate steps. And after I shot that, I just figured I'd shoot a little bit of the river itself and sort of just fly sideways down river. We're going down river, and that would be to the west, and you know, the colors are really not very good because we have no leaves. The grass is still brown from winter and everything. You can see a couple sitting on a swing down on the bottom down there looking at the river, and the light was pretty bright. I did have a polarizing filter on. Should have had a different filter on. As a matter of fact, after this video I wound up taking the filter off because I think it affected the colors and you know, the shoot negatively because it wasn't adjusted correctly. Anyways, we're flying to the west here. Just wanted to get a little video of the river itself, and I'm going to head back to a launch point and land. So that's what's going on here. They're going to replace the dam. The Army Corps of Engineers is doing the work. It's not a county project. Thanks for stopping by and having a look, and come back again. We'll have another video up probably in a week.